Hi, welcome to my channel Cloud with Girish. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack channel and CloudWatch alarm using AWS Chatbot. AWS Chatbot service from AWS allow you to integrate either Slack, Chime or Theme channel with CloudWatch and other services. Slack is a popular theme tool for communication and collaboration. I will integrate Slack channel so that AWS services event based on rules defined get posted to this channel directly. It will allow team members to get instant notification of these events and then take appropriate action. These event notification can be based on certain AWS service function, error, threshold, and other metrics. In my example, I will publish the message based on the Lambda function invocation metrics. Let's look at our business use case. Our business case is publish CloudWatch alarm notification to Slack channel. Alarm is based on number of invocation for a Lambda function. You can select any other criteria to publish the notification. Here is the architecture design. We have an AWS chatbot configured for a Slack channel, and there is a SNS notification queue. We have API and a Lambda function. Also, we're making use of CloudWatch alarm here. There are two parts to it. First one is to configure the AWS chatbot with Slack channel and SNS notification. And the second is that we have a Lambda function which we are invoking via API gateway, and the invocation is getting recorded in the CloudWatch alarm. Once our threshold meet, the notification gets sent to Slack channel. All the users who are subscribed to this team Slack channel will get notified about the metrics. Prereq. There are two prereqs, really like three prereqs: Lambda function, the SNS topic, and familiarity with AWS console. I already have a Lambda function written and deployed. I will use this Lambda function to create the metrics for the CloudWatch alarm. If you want to learn about creating and testing Lambda function, please watch my video on Lambda workshop. Link is in the description for this. I also have an SNS topic, and then of course I will be using the AWS console. So familiarity with AWS console is helpful prereq for this workshop. Let's get started. I'll create a Slack channel, I'll create an SNS topic, I'll configure the AWS Slack chatbot using AWS console. I will configure AWS chatbot in Slack, and then I'll create a CloudWatch alarm. We'll invoke the alarm and review the notification in Slack channel. Alarm will be invoked by invoking the Lambda function via API. Let's first create a Slack channel. So I have created a Slack channel. It's named as refund error. CloudWatch alarm notification will be posted in this channel. Next, I'll create the SNS topic. It's a pretty standard process using the AWS console. I'm creating a standard topic. Name of the topic, I'm calling it refund error GB. You can call it however way your business case requires. I have a display name, which is an optional property. I'm going to leave all other configuration as default and click on create topic. Once my topic is created, I'm going to configure AWS Slack chatbot using AWS console. AWS chatbot is one of the 100 of services provided by AWS. So search for AWS chatbot and then click on configure a chat client. From the drop down, you will see three options: Amazon Chime, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. I'm going to select Slack, and then I'm going to click on configure client. I'm gonna next allow AWS permissions to connect with my Slack workspace. And once I do that and click on allow, my integration of AWS Chatbot and my Slack channel is completed. Next, let's configure the channel in AWS. So here, I'm gonna click on the configure Slack channel. I'm providing a configuration name. I'm gonna provide my channel ID here. So the channel ID is my Slack channel ID that you can get it from your Slack channel properties. Next, select permissions. I'm providing read-only permissions. If you plan to have bidirectional interaction via chatbot, you can provide both read and write permissions. Next, I'm going to select notification. I will select the region and SNS topic. Remember, I have already created SNS topic. I'm just selecting the topic from the drop-down in this step. And then I'm going to click on configure. If my configuration is all good, I should see the message that you have successfully configured the Slack channel. Next, I'm going to create a CloudWatch alarm. I'm creating a CloudWatch alarm based on number of invocation for Lambda function. However, you can create the alarm based on your specific use case. Next, let's invoke Lambda function a few times. I'm invoking my Lambda function by calling the RESTful API using Postman. However, you can invoke it via your app integration or API integration. Once invoked few times and metrics per the defined alarm rule meet the criteria, you will see the CloudWatch alarm is in alarm status. Let's review the Slack channel. Once alarm is in alarm status, a notification will be published to Slack channel integrated via AWS Chatbot. Review the notification below. So you should see a notification in your team channel. It's publishing the metrics, and all the team members who are subscribed to this team channel will get this notification and relevant data. With this workshop, AWS Chatbot has been successfully integrated with Slack channel to publish CloudWatch alarm based on defined metrics. Publishing these alarms will allow DevOps team members subscribe to this Slack channel get notified so that in case of need, they can take appropriate next steps and actions. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm working on some other interesting content on various AWS topics. These will be posted soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.